Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw, mga Virgo. Welcome back. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na Mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang inyong Tagalog love reading, weekly reading, for February 16 to 22. So, tingnan natin ano ba yung masasagap kong energy sa reading na to. Okay. At habang binabalasa ko, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Virgo na sumusubaybay at sumusuporta ng channel ko. At sa mga bago, sana supportan niyo rin po by liking this video, by subscribing to this channel, and by sharing this video sa iba pang Virgo. At saka comment na rin kung mag-resonate itong reading na to. Okay, so tingnan natin ang overall energy ng inyong reading. Second card for February. Hope. Yeah. So there's so much hope when it comes to love, at love gives you hope. That ayun yung nag-resonate sa card nito. Diba? And tingnan natin ano yung detalye and ano ba yung nagaganap ngayon sa inyo in relation to hope or pag-asa. Diba? So, okay, at habang binabalasa ko to, I hope na mag-resonate. Hope na mag-resonate itong reading na to sa inyo. If not, wag pilitin because this is a collective reading, so it may or may not resonate. So, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Kaya subscribe na sa channel para updated kayo sa mga post ko pa. Okay, sige. Second card for each. So, Seven of Wands, Page of Coins, Death card. Okay, King of Wands, Judgment, the Sun, Ten of Cups, King of Coins, the Devil, and Three of Swords. Okay. Okay, so sige, simulan natin. So it started with Seven of Wands and ended with the Three of Swords. Okay. And wag mangamba sa Death card, sa the Devil. Okay. Sige, there's a very strong energy of Leo, Scorpio, and Capricorn. Saka Scorpio, Leo, Capricorn, saka hindi, Scorpio din pala, si Judgment. Tama. So, yan, pwedeng yun yung signs ng person ninyo, but doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasagap sa reading na to. Okay, sud ko pa. Kita. So, nagsimula siya sa Seven of Wands and nag-end sa Three of Swords. And in the merong challenge na na-overcome in the recent past between you and your person. Okay, so and dahil dito nagkaroon ng new beginning after nyo magkaayos. Okay, after nyo ma-overcome yung challenge na yun, as shown here by the Page of Coins, and you're now aiming for long-term relationship between the two of you. So, you're working on it. Tinatry yung ayusin, and ayun, there will be a transformation when it comes to the relationship between the two of you. Ibig sabihin, itong Death card kasi is a card of transformation. So may mag-e-end sa relationship, which is yun nga, yung mga challenges na kinakaharap ninyo, magtatapos na siya. Okay? At sa pagtatapos ng mga challenges na yun, magkakaroon ng panibagong simula. As shown here by the King of Wands, okay, yung relationship dynamics ninyo mas magiging stable, mas kakaayos kayo. Ano ba yung sinasabi natin sa pagdating sa relationship dynamics, di ba? Yung mga kaganapan ninyo, madali nyo na siyang ayusin, i-resolve, and okay, dahil nga and that relationship dynamics mas magiging stable, as shown here by the Judgment card. Okay? And magkakaroon na rin ng kapatawaran sa mga nangyari, sa yung mga challenges na in the past, na may clarify natin, na-hurt kayo sa isa't isa because of that. But tinry nyo, ginawa nyo ng paraan, hindi nyo tinry pala. Ginawa nyo ng paraan at inayos nyo siya. Okay? Kaya nagkaroon nga ng parang it's in the past. Tapos na yun. Okay, as shown here by the Death card. Tapos na yun, magsimula tayong ulit, and yun yung ginagawa ninyo as shown here by the King of Wands, and magkakaroon ng kapatawaran, yung pagdating na sa communication, mas mag-i-improve yung communication between the two of you, and mas magiging connected kayo, at mas mahahandle nyo yung mga conflicts, and it will lead to happiness, okay, as shown here by the Sun and Ten of Cups. So si Sun and Ten of Cups, medyo similar energy siya, happiness and being in a happy and long-term relationship, as shown here by the Ten of Cups. And Ten of Cups is full of love, full of happiness, and very abundant, because yun nga, dito lumabas din si King of Coins. So there's so much abundance na sa pagdating sa relationship ninyo. Okay? So, however, okay, be careful sa mga bagay-bagay that would tempt you again to relapse pagdating na dun sa mga like yung issues na na-resolve nyo. Kasi tapos na siya the past na siya Pero be careful. This is a reminder for you from the universe na be careful na baka magkaroon kayo ng relapse. Okay, matempt kayo to na parang okay na pero parang na-tempt na naman kayo na mag-behave wrongly, di ba? Wag, kasi once na you nagsakam kayo, bumigay kayo sa devil, okay, of course, it will lead to sadness or loss, di ba? Magkakaroon ng heartbreak or separation pa kung di ba, pag na-tempt kayo ng devil to na mag-relapse, di ba? So there's so much hope in this relationship, kaya hope for the best, hope for the better, di ba? Hope for good if hindi kaya ang best at better. Okay? Pero let's clarify, ano ba yung challenge na yun na kailangan yung iwasan na mag-relapse kayo? At okay? Kasi tapos na siya. Nasa nakaraan na siya. It's in the past. So, second card. Six of Swords. Okay? So, si Six of Swords is, yun nga, a card of healing and surrender. So, yeah, yun yung, sige, clarify pa natin ano yung kailangan nyo na i-surrender. Yeah, I mean, in the past na nag-surrender na kayo. So, and hindi nyo na kailangan balikan pa. Okay? So, si uh, Three of Pentacles. So, okay. So, meron sa inyo kasi na parang, alam mo yun, yung naging issue niya is parang walang, may hindi nag-effort. Kaya walang growth sa relationship. Merong ayaw maki-collaborate. So, pwedeng yung person ninyo is not making so much effort, pero na-resolve nyo naman na siya, naayos nyo na siya. So, ngayon, nag-e-effort na siya. And it's in the past. So, kung may mga biglang mga instances nga lang na parang feeling nyo, parang hindi na naman siya nag-effort. Tama na. Okay? Kalma. Kalma. Okay? Kasi there's so much hope in this. Just hope for the better. Parang kung napapansin nyo, kausapin nyo. Communicate properly. Okay? Communication is the key. Sige, seal natin itong reading na to with another oracle card. Okay? Second card. Diba? Serenity. Yeah. And hope for serenity or for peace. Okay? Tama na ang mga issues, conflicts. Dahil ayos na siya. Nakaraan na siya. Huwag nyo na siyang ibalik pa sa present para magkaroon kayo ng peace and serenity in this relationship. Okay? So, sana nag-resonate itong reading na to. Comment na below ng serenity and hope. Okay? And claim the energy of this reading. Maraming salamat. Muli, ako si Mystico Moreno. And kita kits. Sa susunod ko pang love reading, dito lang. Mismo. Ingat!